Picture a morning where the sun never rises. No dawn, no warmth, just an endless chilling night. What if the sun, our cosmic lifeline, turned black, casting Earth into eternal darkness? This isn't a sci-fi thriller, it's a thought experiment that unveils the fragility of life. Welcome to Celestial Wonders, where we explore the cosmos's most profound what-ifs. Join us for 50 minutes to uncover Earth's darkest day, a journey into a world without light. Hit subscribe and ring the bell to embark on this cosmic voyage. Before we dive into this chilling scenario, smash that like button and subscribe to Celestial Wonders. Let's explore what happens when the sun's light goes out. The sun is more than a star, it's the heartbeat of our solar system. A G-type main sequence star, it's been shining for 4.6 billion years, powered by nuclear fusion. In its core, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing energy that travels 93 million miles to Earth, giving us light, heat, and life. This energy drives everything. It powers photosynthesis, turning sunlight into oxygen and food. It keeps Earth's average temperature at 15 degrees Celsius, making life possible. And its gravity holds our planet in orbit, preventing us from drifting into the cosmic void. But what if this cosmic heart stopped beating? What if the sun's light vanished? It's 8 o'clock in the morning, a typical day. You're sipping coffee, the world humming along. Then at 8:08 and 20 seconds, the sun's light stops. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the time it takes light to travel 93 million miles. Earth remains blissfully unaware, but when that last photon hits, darkness falls. The sky turns black even at noon. Streetlights flicker on, but without solar power they're fleeting. Transportation halts. Planes can't land, ships lose bearings, cars crash, emergency services are swamped, and communication networks collapse as power grids fail. It's chaos, and it's only the beginning. As hours turn to days, the world grows colder. Without sunlight, Earth's surface cools rapidly. Within a week, temperatures could drop to minus 20 degrees Celsius globally, even in the tropics. Photosynthesis stops, and plants begin to die, starving herbivores and collapsing ecosystems. Crops fail and food shortages spark panic. Supermarkets empty within days. Herbivores unable to find food perish, followed by carnivores. Humans face famine within weeks, relying on dwindling reserves or scavenging. Months pass and Earth becomes a frozen wasteland. Temperatures plummet to minus 200 degrees Celsius, akin to the coldest Martian nights. The atmosphere begins to freeze, with nitrogen and oxygen turning into liquid, then solid, forming a surreal snow. Life as we know it ceases. Without the sun's gravity, Earth's orbit would eventually destabilize, but that's a slow process, millions of years. The immediate threat is the cold. Oceans freeze solid, and the planet's surface becomes uninhabitable per new scientist. Could humanity survive Earth's darkest day? It's a long shot, but our history is one of resilience. We've survived ice ages, pandemics, and wars. In this scenario, we'd turn to science, nuclear fusion, geothermal energy, or even tidal power to generate heat and light. Projects like ITER in France are pioneering fusion power, mimicking the sun's energy process. A 2024 Nature report suggests fusion could be viable by 2035, offering a lifeline in a sunless world. Space colonization like NASA's Artemis program could see us building habitats on the Moon or Mars. While the sun turning black is a fantasy, it invites us to ponder our cosmic place. We've found thousands of exoplanets, some orbiting stars that could dim or fail. Understanding these worlds helps us appreciate our sun's stability and prepare for cosmic threats. Missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018, are unlocking the sun's secrets, helping us predict solar flares and coronal mass ejections. A 2024 Nature astronomy study on red dwarfs suggests some exoplanets face sudden stellar dimming, offering parallels to our scenario. Red dwarfs smaller than our sun can flare or dim unpredictably. Planets in their habitable zones might face temporary darkness, testing life's resilience. Studying these systems prepares us for our own future when the sun becomes a white dwarf in 5 billion years. A nearby supernova could briefly outshine the sun, casting Earth into twilight. The 1054 AD supernova, per Science Archives, was visible in daylight for weeks, showing how cosmic events can alter our skies. This what if isn't just about darkness. It's about wonder. It reminds us that we're explorers, driven to uncover the universe's secrets. The sun's light is our guide, but our curiosity is our compass. What would you do if the sun turned black? Comment below and share your survival plan. Vote in our poll. What's the biggest threat if the sun stopped shining? A. Cold. B. Darkness. C. Starvation. D. Chaos. Share this video to spark cosmic curiosity. That's What If the Sun Turned Black? A voyage into Earth's darkest day. At Celestial Wonders, we uncover the universe's mysteries, from our sun's vital light to distant stars' secrets. If this journey moved you, like, share, and subscribe for more. Next, we'll explore the space monkeys, the animals that beat us to orbit. Keep looking up, keep wondering, the cosmos awaits.